Hi all and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make Aji Amarillo paste. There are a wide variety of well-known brands but aren't readily available in Australia. So with my last standing chili plant I've harvested some to show you this recipe. Here's all the ingredients that you're going to need. We have freshly picked Aji Amarillo chili peppers, 3 tablespoons white distilled vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 lime and 2 cloves of garlic. All we need to do is peel the garlic and lime and chuck everything into a food processor. It's that easy. I didn't use all the 3 tablespoons of vinegar because I wanted to keep this thick as it's a paste, not a sauce. I also added a small amount of xanthan gum to help the ingredients emulsify and to help thicken the mixture. For me, this is the perfect consistency. This has made just enough for 2 12-ounce canning jars. As with all sauces and pastes I make, I like to check the pH before bottling and canning. As it is, the pH is 3.3, which is perfectly shelf stable. I could have left it as it is, but wanted to ensure it would not spoil on the shelf, so I boiled both jars for 10 minutes and allowed them to cool for 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. The Aji Amarillo paste is done. The beauty of this is you can use any varieties of peppers, herbs and spices that you like. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you same chili time, same chili channel.